Your thumbnail is the only thing standing between your video and millions of views. But here's the brutal truth. Most creators have no idea if their thumbnail will work until after they hit publish. And by then it's too late. Look at this thumbnail I just generated. Scored 22 out of 100. YouTube's algorithm would bury this in seconds. Now watch what happens when I click one button. 4 seconds later, score 97. Same video, completely different result. One gets ignored, the other goes viral. This AI didn't just make my thumbnail look better, it predicted whether it would get clicks before I even uploaded the video. Today, I'm giving you the full breakdown of how this works and the 3 features that change everything. Stick around because this is the unfair advantage you've been waiting for. Let's talk about why thumbnail creation is completely broken right now. If you're hiring a designer, you're paying anywhere from $50 to $200 plus per thumbnail. And that's just the start. You wait 2 to 5 days for the first draft, then comes the back and forth, revisions, more waiting, more money, and after all that, you still don't know if it's going to perform. You're just hoping. If you're doing it yourself in Photoshop or Canva, it's even worse. You're spending 2 to 4 hours per thumbnail, wrestling with layers, fonts, colors, trying to figure out what works. The learning curve is steep, and even after months of practice, you're still guessing. You publish the video, cross your fingers, and hope the thumbnail lands. And if you're using AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, you're stuck in prompt engineering hell. You type in a description, you get something that's 60% of what you wanted, you try again and again. 10 generations later, you pick the one that looks okay and call it a day. No feedback, no scoring, no idea if it'll actually work. But here's the real problem, the one that kills channels. You never actually know if your thumbnail will get clicks until after you publish. By then, YouTube's algorithm has already made its decision. The first hour is critical. If your packaging doesn't work, YouTube quickly stops testing your video. You can swap the thumbnail later, but most of the time it's already too late. The algorithm has moved on. You just wasted days of work because you guessed wrong on the thumbnail. That's the pain. That's what every creator deals with, until now. This is where Pikzels 3.2 comes in. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this is the first tool that actually evaluates your thumbnails before you publish, not after. Before. Here's how it works. Pikzels scores every single thumbnail on 5 pillars. Virality, does it stop the scroll? Clarity, can you understand it at a glance? Idea, is the concept unique? Curiosity, does it make you want to click? And emotion, does it hit you in the gut? Each pillar gets a score out of 100. Then Pikzels gives you detailed feedback on exactly what's working and what's killing your click-through rate. But here's the game changer, the one-click fix. If your thumbnail scores low, you don't have to start over. You don't have to guess what's wrong. You click one button and Pikzels automatically ideates and regenerates a better version based on the analysis it just gave you. It fixes the problems, it optimizes the elements, and it gives you a new score so you know it actually worked. And because Pikzels 3.2 just launched for Black Friday, there's a special deal running right now for you to try it for up to 50 thumbnails completely free. You have no risk. I've left a link in the description so you can check it out later if you want. Think about what this means. You gain certainty before publishing. No more hoping. No more crossing your fingers. You know with data that your thumbnail scores 90 plus before it goes live. And over time, you're not just making better thumbnails, you're learning what makes packaging work. Every score teaches you something. Every fix shows you the patterns. You get better with every thumbnail you create. All right, let's dive into the first feature. Prompt-based generation. This is where you describe the thumbnail you want, and Pikzels generates it with instant scoring. This is the same thumbnail you saw in the intro, the one that went from 22 to 97 in 4 seconds. Here's exactly how we got there. I'm gonna type in this prompt. Make a thumbnail of a night raid of Bin Laden. Add soldiers moving with rifles and helicopters above. Cinematic and intense atmosphere. I hit generate, and here's what I get. Right away, I see the score in the top left corner. 22? That's terrible. If I published a video with this thumbnail, it would die. Let me click on the score to see the full breakdown. Virality. The feedback says extremely weak visual impact. The tone is supposed to be grim and intense, but the execution feels dated and robotic. There's no cinematic tension. It looks like a video game cutscene from 2005. Nobody's stopping their scroll for this. Idea. There's no creativity here. no storytelling. It's just a literal reenactment with no mystery, no emotion, no point of view. It's the most obvious version of this concept, which means it's forgettable. So this thumbnail would get 0 clicks, I know that now, before publishing. But now watch what happens when I click one-click fix. Look at this transformation. This is insane. Let me break down why this new version works. Virality. The contrast and color coding are immediately effective. Blue soldier on the left, red target figure in the center with hands raised, green laser cutting through the frame, clean, dark background. It's instantly readable. It has that bold, high-impact look that performs on military content, documentary content, true crime content. This stops the scroll. Idea, this is brilliant. It takes a chaotic, complex, real-world event and distills it into one simple, iconic visual. The color rolls tell the story automatically. Blue equals force, red equals target, green equals precision. You don't need words, you don't need context, the image communicates everything. This is the difference between a video that dies in the first hour and a video that goes viral. And Pikzels just gave me that answer in 4 seconds. No guessing, no hoping, no wasted time. I know this thumbnail works. I can publish with confidence. Look at that comparison. 22 to 97. Same video, same core idea, but one is forgettable and one is undeniable. That's what data-driven thumbnail creation looks like. Now let me show you the second feature, recreate. This is where things get really smart, because this isn't just about making your own thumbnails. It's about learning from what's already working. Let's say you see a viral thumbnail in your niche and you want to understand why it's crushing it. Or maybe you want to adapt that proven style for your own content. You don't have to reverse engineer it. You don't have to guess. You paste the URL of the video into Pikzels, and then you can add an edit, swap out elements, change the person, adjust the context, and Pikzels recreates it with full scoring. Here's an example. I'm taking this Sidemen video. 20 women versus 1 Sideman. This is one of their most viral thumbnail formats. Millions of views, insane click-through rate. Now I'm telling Pikzels, change the person to Elon Musk. I hit generate. Here's the result. Score, 99. Let me show you why this packaging is so brutally effective. Virality. The absurd contrast of Elon Musk in a Sidemen-style dating show thumbnail creates instant intrigue. It's unexpected, it's bold, it's visually loud. Your brain sees Elon Musk, sees 20 women, and immediately goes, wait, what? That's the scroll stop moment. Clarity. You immediately know what's happening. The composition is clean, the faces are clear, the setup is obvious, there's no confusion, no clutter. You get it in half a second. Idea, this is a cultural mashup. You're taking a proven format, Sidemen dating shows, and injecting a high-profile, unexpected twist. That's how you remix what works. You're not copying, you're not stealing, you're learning the structure and applying it to something new. Curiosity, the question is instant. Why is Elon Musk in this? Is this real? Is this a parody? What happens? You have to click to find out. That's the hook. Emotion. There's humor here, there's tension, there's spectacle. It hits multiple emotional notes at once, which is why it's so effective. This is how you study what works. You're not blindly copying successful creators, you're analyzing why their packaging performs, and then you're adapting those principles to your own content. That's strategy, that's the unfair advantage, and no other tool lets you do this with instant feedback. The third feature is Analyze, and this one's for creators who already designed their thumbnails in Photoshop, Canva, Figma, whatever tool you use, but you want to test them before you publish. Let me upload a thumbnail I made earlier this week. I'll add the title, and I'll click Analyze. Score, 70, not terrible, not amazing, just fine. Let me see what Pikzels says. Virality, the feedback says the visual is clean, but feels like a generic stock graphic. There's a lot of empty space and nothing in the frame really pushes urgency or grabs attention. Clarity, everything is easy to read. The brain, the arrow, the text, but Pikzels basically says this clarity is wasted because the text could be bigger, pushed closer to the edges, and integrated tighter with the visual. Idea, the idea technically works, but it's flat. Train your brain is insanely overused in this niche, and the visual doesn't add any fresh angle or symbolism to make it feel unique. Curiosity. There's almost nothing to wonder about here. You already understand exactly what the video is before you click, so there's no real question or surprise pulling you in. Emotion. Visually, it's fine, but emotionally, it's dead. There's no struggle, no intensity, no sense of transformation, so you don't really feel anything when you look at it. Alright, so now I know exactly why this thumbnail would underperform, but here's the best part. I don't have to go back to Photoshop and spend another 2 hours fixing it. I click one click fix. Score 92. Let me read the updated breakdown. Virality. Now the contrast is bold. The colors pop, the composition is simplified and cleaner. There's one dominant visual element instead of 5 competing ones. This stops the scroll. Clarity. Every element is obvious at a glance. No clutter, no confusion. Your eye goes exactly where it's supposed to go. Idea. The concept now has a unique angle that stands out from competitors. It's still the same core idea, but there's a twist that makes it feel fresh. Curiosity. The new framing creates a clear, strong question in the viewer's mind. You look at this and you need to know what happens. Emotion. The facial expression now carries urgency and intensity. The framing adds tension. You feel something when you look at it. That's what drives clicks. Look at that. 70 to 92. That's the difference between a video that gets 10,000 views and a video that gets 1 million views. And I didn't have to redesign anything. The AI learned what was wrong, fixed it, and showed me why the new version works better. This is the learning engine. It's not just fixing your thumbnails, it's teaching you why they fail and what makes them work. Every time you analyze a thumbnail, you're building your packaging intuition. You're learning the patterns. You're getting better. That's the real power of this tool. Let me tell you why this matters. This has never been done before, ever. No other tool predicts thumbnail performance before you publish. You've been flying blind your entire YouTube career, and now you're not. Here's what you're actually getting with Pikzels 3.2. First, you're saving massive amounts of time. We're talking minutes instead of hours. No more back and forth with designers. No more endless revision cycles. No more second guessing yourself for 3 days before you finally publish. Second, you're gaining data-driven confidence. You're not hoping your thumbnail works. You're not praying to the algorithm gods. You know with an actual number that your thumbnail scores 90 plus before it goes live. That confidence changes how you create. You move faster, you publish more, you win. Third, this is educational. Every single thumbnail you create with Pikzels teaches you something. You see the score, you see the breakdown, you see what works and what doesn't. Over time, you build your packaging intuition. You stop making the same mistakes. You start recognizing the patterns that drive clicks. You become better at this. Fourth, and this is the big one, this is an unfair advantage. You're launching with this tool while your competitors are still guessing. They're publishing thumbnails and waiting for data that comes too late. You're testing thumbnails before you publish. You're iterating in real time. You're always one step ahead. Consider the workflow transformation here. Traditional thumbnail process. Spend 2 to 4 hours designing a thumbnail in Photoshop. Publish the video. Wait 24 hours for initial data. Check YouTube analytics. Realize the thumbnail failed. CTR is 2%. Redesign the thumbnail. Re-upload it, try to regain momentum, but the algorithm already buried your video, you lost. New process with Pikzels, generate a thumbnail in 30 seconds, score it. See it's a 68, click one click fix, new score is 91, publish with confidence, move on to the next video. That's the difference between creators who upload once a week and creators who upload 3 times a week. Speed equals growth. And here's the kicker. This works whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced creator. If you're just starting out, Pikzels removes all the guesswork. You don't need to know design principles. You don't need to understand color theory or composition rules. The AI teaches you as you go. It shows you what works. It shows you why. You learn by doing. If you're an experienced creator, this becomes your testing lab. You analyze your competitors' thumbnails. You study what works in your niche. You test variations faster than anyone else. You apply those insights to your own content immediately. You stay ahead of the curve. You win. And that's the shift. Thumbnails used to be guesswork. Now they're data. And data wins every single time. Pikzels 3.2 just launched on November 24th with a Black Friday and Cyber Monday promo that runs until December 1st. During this window, new users get 500 free credits instead of the usual 100. On top of that, annual plans are 44% off. The premium plan drops from $480 to $268 for the year. And Ultimate goes from $960 to $537. If even one video really takes off from this, that kind of discount is pretty easy to justify. If you want to try it, there's a link in the description. As long as the Black Friday offer is live, that link will give you these bonuses. Check it out, run a few of your own thumbnails through it, and see if it makes sense for you.